Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Muggy Weld is probably one of the most innovative welding solutions available today. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, you're going to love this product. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features that make Muggy Weld stand out, exploring its capabilities and demonstrating why it's a top choice for anyone looking to achieve superior welding results. Number 5. Blue Demon BDTP 125-01T Brazing Rod. This rod is designed for 3 applications. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring only a propane torch for the job. You'll find it's a versatile tool for various projects. With this product, you get approximately 22 sticks in a tube. It simplifies your work, making it more efficient. It's a convenient solution for your brazing needs. This rod is stronger than aluminum and harder than mild steel. It also offers excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring the longevity of your work. It's built to last. Forget about the hassle of flux. This rod doesn't require any, saving you time and effort. It's a straightforward solution for your brazing tasks. This rod effectively welds zinc base metals and brazes aluminum. It's a versatile tool that expands your capabilities. It's a great addition to any toolkit. What we like. This rod offers 3 applications in one, making it incredibly versatile. It's also incredibly easy to use, requiring only a propane torch. If you're looking for a simple solution for brazing a variety of metals, especially aluminum, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is easy to use. The product works great for welding aluminum. The product is a good value. Number 4. Weldpro Omni 210-6-in-1 MultiProcess Welder. This machine offers multiple welding techniques, including MIG, stick, and TIG. It's perfect for various tasks, from aluminum work to heavy-duty jobs. This makes it a versatile choice for any welder. With an output current up to 200 A, this welder delivers exceptional performance. The synergic MIG feature with AutoSet ensures ease of use for both beginners and professionals. It provides the power you need for any project. The multifunction display and digital controls make setup and adjustment easy. It includes features like VRD and hot start settings. The dual voltage operation at 110V and 220V adds to its versatility. It comes with a professional rocker-style foot pedal for smooth control. The optional 115V power cable and CK17 TIG torch are also included. This setup enhances the TIG welding experience. The MIG welder includes a 12 pounds wire spool capacity and advanced TIG controls. Accessories like the 10-foot MIG torch enhance your welding experience. These features ensure optimized results. Built-in overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection extend the machine's lifespan. This ensures the welder is safe and reliable. It's designed to protect both the machine and the user. The manufacturer provides comprehensive after-sales support. Their customer service team is ready to assist with any inquiries or issues. You can have peace of mind with their support. What we like. This machine is a true multi-tool, offering 6 different welding processes in one unit. With a powerful 200A output, it can handle a wide range of tasks. If you are a professional or a serious hobbyist who needs a versatile and powerful welder, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a design called a synergic design, which means it automatically adjusts the voltage with the wire speed. It also has a lift arc TIG feature, and comes with a TIG torch. It is very easy to switch the electrode polarity if using flux core MIG wire. Number 3. Weldpro 200A5-in-1 Welder. This versatile welder offers 5 welding modes: gas flux core, gasless MIG, spool gun, lift TIG, and MMA. It's perfect for various projects, from home DIY to outdoor repairs. This machine is designed to meet all your welding needs. With a powerful 200 amp output and dual voltage, this welder delivers consistent performance. It handles both thin and thick materials, including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. You can rely on it for any task. The large LED screen clearly displays welding parameters and settings. This feature enhances visibility and makes operation effortless. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it gives you precise control. Easily switch to aluminum MIG welding by connecting a spool gun. Simply unplug the MIG torch and connect the spool gun. It's a convenient way to expand the capabilities of this machine. Weighing only 13.7 pounds, this welding machine is highly portable. You can easily carry it anywhere with a handle or shoulder strap. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. The welder has built-in overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection. These features extend the lifespan of the machine. It ensures your safety during operation. Every welder undergoes rigorous testing in harsh environments. It conforms to high standards. This ensures the product's reliability and durability. What we like. This welder gives you 5 welding modes, making it suitable for various projects. It also features dual voltage, adding to its versatility. If you are looking for a portable and compact welder with aluminum spool gun compatibility, this is a great option. What people say. The product works as advertised. The welds are strong and look great. It's easy to use and produces clean welds. Number 2. 77 Cast Iron Welding Rod Kit, 332 diameter. This is the 77 Cast Iron Welding Rod Kit. It comes with everything you need to get started. It's perfect for a variety of applications. The kit includes 14 rods, each with a 332-inch diameter and a 12-inch length. This provides ample material for your welding projects. They are designed for efficient use. This kit features high-efficiency weld metal transfer. This design helps eliminate electrode overheating, ensuring a smooth and effective welding process. It makes your work easier. The rods have a crack-resistant formula, eliminating the need for preheating or special cooling. This saves you time and effort. It ensures a strong weld. This kit is ideal for heavy machinery, trucking, automotive, marine, and RVs. It is versatile and can handle a wide range of repair and fabrication tasks. It is a great choice. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for cast iron, offering a crack-resistant formula. It eliminates the need for preheating, saving you time and effort. If you have heavy machinery or automotive projects involving cast iron, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The product works as advertised. The product is easy to use. The product is a good value. Number 1. SSQ 6 Silver Solder Paste. Introducing the SSQ 6 Silver Solder Paste. This is a great choice for your soldering needs. It's easy to use and provides a strong bond. The large 1-ounce dispenser makes application a breeze. You can easily apply it with one hand and low pressure. It prevents seepage, ensuring a clean finish. This paste offers a tensile strength of up to 85,000 psi. This means it creates a strong and durable bond. You can rely on it for demanding applications. It's perfect for precision work, such as jewelry making. Its fine quality allows for detailed and accurate soldering. It helps you achieve professional results. It can be used in all positions with any torch. This flexibility makes it suitable for various projects. It provides convenience and ease of use. This product is cadmium-free, ensuring safety. It is a reliable and safe choice for your soldering tasks. Choose it for peace of mind. What we like. This solder paste offers high tensile strength, ensuring strong and reliable joints. It's perfect for precision work, such as jewelry making. If you are looking for a high-quality solder paste for delicate projects, you should consider it. What people say. The product is easy to use. It works great on cast iron. The welds are strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.